Hi, so the book that I'm talking about is Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief. It is by Rick Riordan and it is a really good book. It's fiction. It's very Harry Potter-esque, but it talks more about Greek myths. It's the story of Percy Jackson who finds out he is a demigod and he has to go on adventures to save the world before it's destroyed by the gods. Percy really wants to meet his dad, Poseidon, through the whole thing, and Poseidon, of course, is the god of the ocean. But he's constantly being stopped by monsters and his aunts and uncles who are different gods and goddesses. It moves really fast and it's a lot more fast paced than Harry Potter, so a lot of fifth and sixth graders find it a lot more interesting. A really good pre-reading activity to do is have fifth and sixth graders research one of the original stories of Greek mythology that are included in The Lightning Thief. Some of these might be the story of Hades, the story of Medusa, the story of Apollo, the story of some of the demigods, and have them present these stories to the class. While they're reading the book, they can compare of how those original myths compare to the way Rick Riordan used them in the book. A really good post-reading activity would be to have the students rewrite the scenes that are in their myths with the way that the stories were aligned in the stories or aligned in the book, and have them play out differently and then compare them with other students in the class. Percy Jackson is really good because it is a series book, and so after you hook them into this first book, they can read lots of other books. And Rick Riordan also has other books that cover different myths. And so he's really interesting for fifth and sixth graders.